皆さん、桜が綺麗な季節がやってきました。花粉がなければ1年で一番好きな季節です。海外の皆さんはぜひこの時期に来てほしいです。というわけで車中泊生活を始めましたが、正直お金は厳しいです。なので桜の花びらを拾ってアクセサリーにして販売する生活を始めてみたいと思います。道端に落ちている花びらを使うので実質0円です。ほぼ0円から10万円にしていきたいと思います。それでは早速始めてみましょう。皆さんこんにちは、みのりんと夫のよしくんです。今は埼玉の秩父にいます。というわけで早速桜を探していきたいと思いますが、ちょっと遅れているので果たして咲いているのでしょうか。 Okay, but before anything, let's go to Daiso. Today is such a nice day. And we're at Daiso.I need a few things for this project. Oh, there you go. I do want something like this, but it's a little bit big. Oh, I think this is gonna work. Ooh, Rapunzel corner. And I need this. Oh, and one more thing. I'm looking for a tweezer. Okay, there you go. And now it's time to go look for some cherry blossom trees.正直ちょっと終わりかけの時にやってきているので、咲いているかどうかはちょっとした賭けでした。Oh no, there is a bee inside the van. I'll let Yoshi take care of it later. Anyways, so this is the cherry blossom tree, but as you can see, it's almost done. I'm so sad. The cherry blossoms are gone. But hey, we still got some flowers left.Like, look at all these petals. It's going to turn into waste anyways. Let's make them into accessories. Okay, let's pick up some petals. But one thing, before anything, if you're ever gonna do something like this, please don't take the flowers from the trees. Thank you. Are you guys ready for a walk? Oh wait, guys, look. There's a 4-leaf clover.Let's pick this up too. よしくん、四つ葉のクローバー。ね。食べちゃダメよ。これ押し花にしてよしくんにあげるね。ないでしょ？パッと見。ね。へへん。四つ葉のクローバー見つけちゃった。おバカ。Okay, let's keep walking to see if we can find any more cherry blossom trees. I mean, honestly, these are beautiful too.Oh, it's so pretty. Hi, ベルちゃん。はい、ラビちゃん。お散歩楽しいね。We found another one. It's kind of small though. Ooh, what's this? 先生。How beautiful. This cherry blossom isn't like a normal cherry blossom tree. It's like really big. I could do this for hours. I want to look for the pretty ones. I found a flower.This is what I have so far. Okay, let's move on. お待たせ。花の森、この先125メートル。I spy some more cherry blossom petals. Wow. Ooh, almost. Yeah, if you're lucky, you can find some real flowers too. How about this? Nope. How about this one? Kind of. This one's even better. Kind of. Ooh.Oh, this is heaven. 見て見て。
こんないっぱい花ついてんだね、これ。
ねえ。This one's really nice. Guys, look at this. There's so many. And we're back in the van. So now, let's make them into little dried petals. And to do that, I'm going to be using this. So how does this work? I'm going to be using this. Basically, I'm going to sandwich the petals with these papers. And after a few days, it's going to turn into a dry flower. So here's all the petals that I picked today. I'm going to place the petals one by one on this sheet. They're so fragile. Oh yeah, I can't forget. The 4-leaf clover. I'm trying to pick the pretty ones.And now I'm going to sandwich it with this paper, and then this cardboard, and a sponge. And again with the flowers. I'm honestly not sure how these are going to turn out. And I'm just going to close it real tight. and after a few days, it should turn into pressed dried flowers. というわけで桜が咲いていなかったので富士山の近くまでやってきました。今回はこちらのジムニーを借りてやってきました。いろいろと整っててすごかったです。Wow, it comes with so many stuff. But before anything, let's try opening the rooftop. そして皆さん、こちらを見てください。すごくないですか？もう本当に魔法みたいでかっこよかったです。Oh my gosh, guys, look at this view. It's quite spacious up here. And over on this side, we get to see the cherry blossom tree. Wow, this is so beautiful. Oh my gosh, it's so cushiony and soft. あ、来た来た。I can't believe this all fit inside that small car, but it literally comes with everything. It also comes with alcohol cleaning wipes, all the utensils, plates, and a stove.
おお、食べていいの？はい、
召し上がれ。
いただきます。美味しいですね。
今回はこちらのジムに初めてだったんですけど、本当に最高でした。来てよかったです。あと当然桜も拾っていきましょう。Like this one's really pretty. This is what I have so far.
入るまでやっててみ。全然風向きが、まあ1個でもキャッチできてたらすごいと思うよ。あ、今
これすごいピンクでいい色してる。
よかったね。
正直あまり桜の綺麗さを見せられなかったと思うので、この前お母さんと2人旅した時の映像を載せておきたいと思います。お母さんと2人で岩手の方に行ってきましたが、こんなにたくさん桜を見たのは初めてでした。Good morning, guys. So it's been a few days. Let's see how they turned out. It should be ready right now. Okay. In the reveal. Okay. Oh, I think the colors turned out really pretty. I love the pink. It looks like not every petal survived. Some turned out a little bit brown, some got folded in the wrong places, but overall it's looking great. Let me carefully put it back. The second sheet. It looks really purple. It's not as pink as I thought it would be. Can you guys see the difference? Look at how different the petals look. And they're both cherry blossom trees. And then the next one. Okay. The flowers didn't turn out as pretty as I wanted them to be. This one was a little upsetting. But wait, we still have more. What do you guys think? The flowers are so hard. But wait, we've still got one more. Last one. The reveal. And the 4-leaf clover. The 4-leaf clover is perfect. I think the colors turned out really pretty and I like it overall. But the thing is, they're not the standard cherry blossom petals. Like, I think you could tell the difference. So now, onto the fun part. Wow, look at how you can see the veins. Okay, so here's all the petals from each batch. Personally, these ones are my favorite, but let's make them all into earrings. And I'm just gonna spread resin all over. And now, cure. Flip it over. And we're gonna do the same on the other side. And again, cure. And now I'm going to use something like this. I'm going to put some resin on here. And now I'm just gonna stick this on right here. And cure it. Something like this. And now I'm just gonna dip this into resin. And cure it. And lastly, I've got some crystal rhinestones. And place it on. I think the crystals add a special touch to the earrings. And finally, we're going to harden it all the way. And now for some pliers. And there you go, my cherry blossom earrings. And now onto the second batch. And this is how they turned out. What do you guys think? And guys, I'm back home. I feel like it's been a while, right Baymax? So, do you guys like my earrings? I think it turned out super cute. So now that I'm home, let's get into business and start making some more. To make things easier, let's call this batch number 1. It's the smallest out of all, but it's got the prettiest color. This is batch number 2. The petals are a little bit bigger than batch number 1, and it's got this purplish hue. And this is batch number 3. I love the colors and everything, but it's a little bit big, so they don't really look like typical sakura petals. 今回はいろいろと考えた結果、小さい花びらの方をアクセサリーにすることにしました。大きい花びらはスマホのケースに使っていきます。実は私この前携帯をなくしちゃって、お家のどこかにあるはずなんですけども全然見当たらなくて、古い携帯また使うことになったので、そのケースを作っていきたいと思います。I'm going to spread some resin and place the petals on one by one. Oops. I need to be really careful because they're so fragile. I decided to place them into like little flowers. And using an X-Acto knife, I'm just going to cut off the excess. How does this look? So now I'm going to cover it with resin. Ooh, I want to try adding some gold flakes. Oh, it's so pretty. Let's see how this is going to turn out. A mix. And I'm just going to paint it all over. Oh, I think that looks so pretty. And I'm going to top it off with more resin. And lastly, I'm going to add some little crystals. And this is how it turned out. So now I'm just gonna leave this outside. So now let's start making some more earrings. One, two, three, four, five, six. So it took me about an hour to make 3 pair of earrings. I mean, if you include all the process, it takes around like an hour for 1 earring. So now, I'm going to pack it up into these boxes. I think this is really cute. I'm going to hook it on like this. And there we have it. And I went to Daiso again. Can you guys guess what I'm trying to make? So I got some photo frames and some cork boards. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut out a piece of this cork board that fits inside this frame. So it looks something like this, and now I'm going to fit this inside this frame. I'm going to put this on top. And it's a little bit thick, but I'm just going to squeeze it in. Oh no, my nail came off. Okay, one more. Okay. There you go. I'm so happy that this actually worked. And now I'm going to do the same thing again. Wow, it actually worked! And next, I also found this at Daiso, but I just want to take out the hinge. And now, I'm going to put this together like this, and add the hinges right here. And guys, the reveal. Ta-da! This is exactly what I wanted! It actually holds itself like this, and because it used to be photo frames, you could just take this out and let it rest like this. So there's two ways to use this. I really wanted something like this, but I couldn't find anything online, so I was like, why not just make it myself? So guys, what do you think? So I've been thinking of bringing this around with me and sell them as I go. I mean, I made this so it's travel friendly. I could just close it and bring it around with me. Or I could sell them online. But would you guys be interested? So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next video. Bye!